ओके आयुष, कादम्बरी, विशाल. ओके वेदांत, आर यू देयर? ओके ओके. Okay, I hope my voice is clear and audible to all of you. I'm just sharing my screen to all of you. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, is it visible screen? See here. Okay. So now who will tell me that which chapter we are studying right now? Okay. Which lesson you are learning? Yes, anybody among you? हम कौन सा चैप्टर सीख रहे हैं? ओके, हिस्ट्री, सोर्सेस ऑफ हिस्ट्री. ओके विशाल, you're right. We are studying about sources of history. मतलब इतिहास जानने के लिए हम कोण कोण से संसाधन यूज करते हैं किंवा इतिहास समजून घेण्यासाठी आपण कोणकोणते साधनं वापरतो. ओके. So here is the presentation, here is our lesson. Okay, so till now we have studied about the written sources of history, how we how written sources help us to understand the history. Okay, history after post independence era. Okay, after that we started in which in written sources there are newspapers, there are periodicals, there are magazines, there are government gadgets. Okay, even Press Trust of India is one of the trustworthy source. It is authenticate source. Okay, after that there are postage stamps. Okay, so these things are in the written sources. After that we started material sources. So these are the basically some type of objects. Okay, these are the physical sources to which we can see, we can handle, okay, we can touch. So here is the list of material sources: coins, places of worship, things in daily use. Okay, likewise that there are almost 8 entitled here. Okay, enlisted over here. So in that we have seen coins. Okay, coin is one of the material source. So coin of the past India. Okay, जब हम पैसे में यूज करते थे, हमारे कॉइन जो थे वो 10 पैसे के, 5 पैसे के, 2 पैसे के हुआ करते थे. अगर वो आपको आज मिले तो उस पे कुछ ना कुछ लिखा होता है. ओके, वो किस साल के है. ओके, उसमें कुछ तो इमेजेस होती है स्टैम्प की हुई. ओके, सो उससे आपको पता चलता है कि कॉइन्स हमें कैसे हेल्प करते हैं उस समय की हिस्ट्री अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए. ओके, इट हेल्प्स अस. Okay, everybody clear that we have completed up to coins? Actually, coins are made by the government, and in the medieval times, ancient times, those kings or the emperors, okay, those emperor used to make the coins. Okay, is it clear? So, shall I start the next topic now? Next material source, that is museum. Okay, actually, Kadambari, we shall understand Hindi. We shall हिंदी समजते का तुला? मराठी मराठी समजते? विशाल प्रजापती. ओके, यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड मराठी. कादंबरी, आर यू ओके विथ हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश? ओके ओके. Okay, so we will speak in Hindi and we will use English and Hindi. Okay, so let's start the next topic now. Next material source is म्यूजियम्स. म्यूजियम्स को संग्रहालय कहते हैं क्योंकि वहां पे कुछ पुरातन चीजों का संग्रह किया हुआ रहता है। ओके, अगर कभी आप किसी संग्रहालय को, म्यूजियम को विजिट करेंगे तो आपको वह तरह तरह की चीजें मिल जाएगी। यू विल गेट टू सी many different objects, okay, which are placed in that museum, which tells us the history. Okay, so let's start. All states of India have museums that depict the characteristics and display the culture and social heritage of the state. So you know that India is a very diverse country. Okay, we have very diverse culture, we have very diverse society. Okay, South India is different, North India is different, Northeast is different. Okay, if you go to the Central India, okay, it is different. West India. So likewise that each state has their own culture and their own society. इसका मतलब क्या है? हर जो हमारा राज्य है, हर जो स्टेट है, तो उसका अपना अपना कोई तो कल्चर है, उसकी अपनी अपनी कोई तो संस्कृति है। ओके, और उसके साथ ही उसकी रहन सहन की, अपने समाज की कोई चीजें है। ओके, तो हमारे देश के हर एक राज्य में इस तरह के म्यूजियम्स पाए जाते हैं। ओके, जिसमें जिसमें क्या होता है, उस राज्य की कल्चरल एंड सोशल तरह की चीजें होती है, जिसको देख के हम पता लगा सकते हैं कि उस राज्य की पास्ट में कल्चर को कैसा रहा होगा, सोसाइटी सोशल हेरिटेज कैसा रहा होगा। ओके, they enable us to understand history, that is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum at the Mumbai. Okay, so in Mumbai there is one of the museum. Okay, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum at Mumbai. I have visited that museum and I have seen that it has the different objects, okay, which belongs to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which belongs to ancient times, okay, medieval times. Okay, so I have seen that. I hope that anybody have visited it. Anybody who visited that? Okay, कादम्बरी has not visited. कादम्बरी ने वहाँ, okay, वहाँ विजिट नहीं किए। विशाल ने भी नहीं किए। ओके ओके ओके, तो आगे आपके पास बहुत वक्त है। आपके पापा मम्मी के साथ आप कभी ट्रिप पर गए मुंबई को, तो उनको बोलिए हमें छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज स्टेडियम देखना है। Also Jahangir Art Gallery is also there near the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Museum. Okay, so in museums there is the different objects or material sources kept, to which you can see, you can touch, you can read the information over there about that. Okay, likewise that you get the information about the culture and society of that state or that museum, or we can say our country. Also there is next museum, Reserve Bank Museum in Pune city. So in Pune also there is one of the museum, Reserve Bank Museum. Apart from government museums, some private collectors also set up their own museums. अभी ये तो हो गया गवर्नमेंट का, कि हमारे गवर्नमेंट ने अपने पैसे से कुछ म्यूजियम्स खड़े किए, कुछ संग्रहालय खड़े किए, उसमें अपने अपने पसंद की कल्चरल चीजें रखी, सोशल हेरिटेज रखा हमारा। ओके, इसके अलावा गवर्नमेंट के अलावा भी कुछ पब्लिक होती है, प्राइवेट प्लेयर होते हैं। ओके, कुछ आदमी होते हैं जिनको इस सब चीजों की हॉबी होती है, टू कलेक्ट दी different objects. Okay, so they also set up their own museums. तो उनके अपने अपने भी म्यूजियम होते हैं। You can visit there also. They are based on distinctive subjects. So basically वो अपने अपने एक थीम पर डिपेंड होते हैं। ओके, जो प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स म्यूजियम्स अपने अपने सेटअप करते हैं, वो किसी चीज पर डिपेंड होते हैं। किसी प्लेयर का और किसी प्राइवेट पब्लिक का म्यूजियम, उसको शौक होगा कॉइन्स जमा करने का, कॉइन्स कलेक्ट करने का, तो अगर आप उनके म्यूजियम में विजिट करेंगे तो आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट तरह के कॉइन्स, अलग अलग कालखंड के कॉइन्स आपको देखने को मिलेंगे। कुछ लोग को शौक होता है कि वो नोट्स जमा करे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टाइम के, टाइम पीरियड के। ओके, डिफरेंट country scale, likewise that. Also lamps are there. Okay, nutcrackers in the different shapes, cricket equipment, likewise that. Okay, so if you have some hobby, you can also make your own museum at your home also. Okay, short or small setup of your museum. Is my voice clear to all of you? Okay, okay. Okay, actually it is heavily raining over here. Okay. So guys, we have completed coins, museums. Now next is oral sources. Now who can tell me what is oral sources? Anybody among you? Okay, okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, presentation visible? Hello? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Just a minute. Wait. Just wait. Okay, just refreshing the network. Okay. Okay, is it visible now? Okay. Hello? Yes, yes. Who asked about nutcrackers? Somebody asked me. Okay, nutcrackers basically आपले आजोबा जे काही सुपारी वगैरे फोडतात बरोबर, ते सुपारी फोडण्यासाठी जो अडकित्ता असतो छोटासा. ओके, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज नट क्रॅकर. ओके, so there are some people who has fond of that collecting, that hobby of collecting that nutcrackers also, so they can set up their own museum regarding that. Okay, likewise that. So now we will study about the oral sources. What are the oral sources and how these sources help us to understand the history? Can anybody tell me what is oral sources in short? What do you understand by mean by the word oral sources? Okay, Vaishnavi. Okay, Vaishnavi has joined. ओके, सो बेसिकली मराठीमध्ये ओरल सोर्सेसला म्हटलं जातं मौखिक साधने. ओके, तुमची जी ओरल एक्झामिनेशन होते, माहित आहे ना, ओरल एक्झामिनेशन म्हणजे काय? तुमची तोंडी परीक्षा. येस, विच आर नॉट रिटन. Basically oral sources means these are the songs. Okay, these are the povadas, likewise that. Right, right. You have understood, you have somewhat knowledge about it. So see here, these sources include folk tales, folk songs, okay, proverbs, ballads, and ovids. Okay, Marathi verses in oral tradition. So basically ovids क्या है? जिस तरह हमारे किसी कविता में, किसी पोएम में स्टैंजा होता है, उसी प्रकार ओवी मराठी में त्याला म्हटलं जातं. ओके, activists were inspired by the povadas of Lokshahir Annabhau Sathe and Shahir Amar Sheikh during the Sayukta Maharashtra movement. So basically, which are the things that comes under the oral sources? These are folk tales, folk songs. Folk tales means जे काही लोक कथा असतील. ओके, लोककथा. फोक सॉंग्स मीन्स लोकगीत, की जो लोक पूर्वीपार आपल्या पिढ्यानपिढ्या ते गाणे म्हणत आलेले आहेत. ओके, लाईकवाईज प्रोव्हर्ब, वेगवेगळ्या म्हणी आहेत. ओके, डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोव्हर्ब्स आर देअर, विच पीपल आर युझिंग फ्रॉम 1000 years. Okay, or from centuries, ballads. Ballads are there, povada, it is called as. So likewise, these are the oral sources: folktale, folk songs, proverbs, ballads, and ovids. You might have heard about पोवाडा of छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचा पोवाडा सर्वांनी ऐकला असेल. तर त्या पोवाड्यामध्ये काय असतं, बेसिकली बॅलड मध्ये काय असतं, त्या बेसिकली इट हॅज सम स्टोरी अँड विच इज एक्सप्लेन्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द सॉन्ग. ओके, छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के कार्यकाल में अगर कोई एखादी घटना हुई है, ओके, उस घटना को हम पोवाडा के जरिए, बैलड के जरिए लोगों के सामने बताते हैं, कहते हैं, सुनाते हैं. ओके, तो ये हो गया ओरल सोर्स. Also, activists were inspired by the povadas of Lokshaya Annabhau Sate. I hope you have heard about the Annabhau Sate. Okay, he was a shahir. It means they शायरी करायचे. Okay, he used to make the शायरीज. So Annabhau Sate and Shahir Amar Sheikh. Amar Sheikh is also one of the Shahir. महाराष्ट्रामध्ये जेव्हा संयुक्त महाराष्ट्र मुवमेंट चालू होते, ओके, संयुक्त महाराष्ट्र चळवळ जेव्हा चालू होती, तर त्यामध्ये जे ऍक्टिव्हिस्ट होते, जे कार्यकर्ते होते, ओके, तर ऑल दीज ऍक्टिव्हिस्ट वी आर इन्स्पायर्ड बाय दी पोवाडाज ऑफ लोकशाहीर अण्णाभाऊ साठे अँड अमर शेख. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टँड दिस? Yes, do you understand oral sources? How the activists which were working in the Sayukta Maharashtra movement, they were inspired by the povadas of Lokshahir Annabhau Sate and Amar Sheikh. Okay, so these are the oral sources. So guys, likewise, which type of sources we have completed? Written sources, material sources, oral sources. After that, we are studying audio visual sources. Okay, these audio visual sources are the latest technology. Okay, it is modern technology. Anybody having any doubt in folk song? तो इसका मतलब है लोक संगीत और लोकगीत. ओके, तुम्हाला माहितच असेल, आपल्याकडे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे जाती धर्माचे लोक राहतात. ठाकर समाज आहे आपल्याकडे, वेगवेगळ्या त्यांचे त्यांच्या भाषेमध्ये जे काही गीतं असतात. ओके, कोळी लोक झाले, कोळी गीतं असतात. सो बेसिकली दीज आर दी फोक सॉंग्स विच आर बीइंग sung for so many years. Okay, do you understand? Anybody having any problem in or written sources, material sources, and oral sources? In material sources, we have just taken two examples, that is coins and museums. Okay, and all other things are there. Place of worship is there, it comes under the material source. Some monuments are there. Okay, so now we will take audio visual sources, the next source of history. See here, television, films, internet are called audio visual media. मैं अभी तो मुझे तो लगता है आपको इस सब के बारे में सब कुछ पता है, राइट? टेलीविजन, फिल्म्स, इंटरनेट, ये सब आपको पता है, हर बच्चे को पता है. आज जो हम लेक्चर ले रहे हैं वो इंटरनेट के जरिए मोबाइल पे ले रहे हैं. ओके, और मेरे स्क्रीन पे जो दिख रहा है वो आपके स्क्रीन पे जो दिख रहा है. ओके, सो इट इज दी miracle of the technology, latest technology, where we can see audio also, video also. Okay, so when we get the information from television, from films, from the internet about the history, then these are the audio visual sources for the history. Many domestic and foreign television channels also come under this head. Example: History Channel, Discovery Channel. So I hope everybody knows about the History Channel and Discovery Channel, right? हिस्ट्री और डिस्कवरी चैनल के बारे में सबको पता है. कौन कौन से शोज आप उस पे देखते हैं, कोई बताएगा मुझे? Okay, Animal Planet is there. Man versus animal. Man versus. Okay, okay. Yes, man versus wild. We also see on history, that is factory, how it is made. Okay, how science. What is that? There was one show there. Destroyed in seconds are there. Okay, so likewise that there are many series on different topics. Likewise that they also provide us the information about our history. Okay, National Geographic is there. So they give us the visual and audio also. So if there is any program which is related to history, we get to know about our history from these sources, from internet. If you find something on the internet, on the Google, on the YouTube about the history, then it is the audio visual medium, okay, through which you are getting the information. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone now. Audio visual sources. Okay, see here, friends, there is something. Try this, okay? As an example of how some events get reflected in literature and how a poet perceives that event, study the poem Avahan, written on the backdrop of Sino-Indian War by the noted Marathi poet Kusumagraj. Find pieces of literature based on the contemporary. Kusumagraj is one of the poet from the Marathi, right? कुसुमाग्रज पता है सबको? Have you heard about कुसुमाग्रज? Okay, कादम्बरी has heard about it. Okay, तो कुसुमाग्रज ने हमारा जब 1962 में वॉर हुआ था चाइना के साथ, ओके, तो उस वॉर पे कुसुमाग्रज ने एक पोएम लिखी है. ओके, अगर आप वो पोएम को ढूंढे, उसको आप पढ़े, ओके, अंडरस्टैंड करें, तो आपको पता चलेगा कि उस वक्त क्या क्या हुआ था. सो बेसिकली उन्होंने उस वक्त ये पोएम लिखी थी, पर आप लोग उसे आज पढ़कर उस वक्त की हिस्ट्री को आप पता कर सकते हैं. सो बेसिकली दीज आर दी सोर्सेस. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? विशाल, आयुष, कादम्बरी, वैष्णवी, प्रार्थना, आर यू देयर? वेदांत, you people are not taking part in the conversation. Hello, am I audible to everyone? Hello, am I audible? Yes, कादंबरी, आवाज येतोय माझा? Hello, am I audible? Hello, am I audible to everyone? Okay, there was some problem, na? Okay. So do you understand about the Kusumagraj, how we get the information from his poem about the Sino-India War, that is China and India War that happened in 1962. Okay. So now we will move for the okay. We will take the next topic now. See here, Film and Television Institute of India. In short, FTII. Okay. So is my screen visible to you people? Just write down visible. Okay, it will be visible now. Okay. Okay, see here. Film and Television Institute of India, that is FTII. Okay. तो FTII के बारे में मैं आपको एक चीज बता दूं, फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया। तो बेसिकली वो फिल्म वो ये जो इंस्टीट्यूट है वो बेसिकली क्या करती है, एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करती है किस बारे में, हाउ टू मेक फिल्म्स एंड टेलीविजन। ओके, अबाउट द टेलीविजन। जो भी एक्टर्स आप आज देखते हैं, ओके, पुराने एक्टर्स हुए, अनुपम खेर हुए, नसीरुद्दीन शाह हुए, ओके, परेश रावल हो गए, ओके, हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट दिस एक्टर्स? Okay, so these actors were a student of this FTTI. Okay, so now you will understand what is the role of FTTI. जो फिल्म मेकिंग कैसे करते हैं, ओके, टेलीविजन कैसे बना, टेलीविजन प्रोग्राम कैसे करते हैं, एक्टिंग कैसे की जाती है, ओके, तो इसके बारे में जो कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन है, जो कुछ एजुकेशन है, तो वो फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया में दिया जाता है। ओके, अब उसके बारे में हम कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन लेंगे। ओके, सी हियर नाउ, the government of India started the Film and Television Institute of India at Pune in 1960 with the purpose of providing public education. Okay, so what was the purpose of this institute? This institute was established in Pune. It was in 1960. So providing the education to the public was the main purpose of this institute, that is Film and Television Institute of India. So it is in Pune, remember. An institute called Indian News Review has produced various newsreels on important events in the politics, social issues, art, sports, and culture. Okay, so in that there is one of the department or institute, that is Indian News Review. Okay, so Indian News Review has prepared or produced various newsreels. न्यूज के बारे में आपने इंस्टा रील्स जो है वो पढ़ा है ना? इंस्टा रील्स क्या होते हैं? इंस्टाग्राम में जो लोग रील्स बनाते हैं, बच्चे लोग रील्स बनाते हैं। ओके, ओके, सो बेसिकली इंस्टाग्राम सॉरी न्यूज रील्स में मतलब है, अगर किसी न्यूज को आपको फॉलो करना है, किसी न्यूज के बारे में कुछ ज्यादा जानकारी चाहिए, तो उस न्यूज के बारे में जानकारी एक जगह संगठित की हुई होती है, एकत्रित की हुई होती है, ओके, कलेक्ट की हुई होती है। सो बेसिकली दीज are called as the newsreels. Okay, so these newsreel are on different topics. Maybe this newsreel can be on politics. Okay, it can be on social issues. It can be on art. Okay, sports and culture. So it can be on any topic. Basically, newsreels are reels, or the we can say one of the thing to store the news. This department has also produced various documentaries on prominent social leaders, on people who have made a major contribution for our country, and about important locations in India. Okay, so have you heard about documentaries? आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज टीवी पर देखी होगी, हिस्ट्री टीवी पे देखी होगी, यूट्यूब पे देखी होगी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज। Am I audible? Okay. So basically, see, let's take the example of Kargil War. Okay, if somebody have to made some video on Kargil war, how when it happened, how it happened, how Pakistan fought, how India fought. Okay, what different type of situations was there in political situation, what was the economic situation at that time. So what you can do, you can make one documentary, one video on that, okay, of 1 hour, in which you will tell everything about that Kargil war. So basically, that video is nothing but the documentary. Or if you make some book on that Kargil war, then it will become one of the documentary. So documentary is basically the video or audio, okay, or it can be written, okay. So it is based on some specific event. Maybe it is based on some specific person. Like was suppose Albert Einstein. Okay, you have to make the documentary on Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein has contributed very much in the science field. Okay, so if you make the documentary on a person, then you can take the example Dr. Kalam. Okay, APJ Kalam. Also, you can take the example of him also. Einstein in the science. Okay, so likewise that. And if you have to make documentary on specific event, then for example, Kargil war is there. War against war for the Bangladesh in 1971 is there. 1962 is there. So likewise that. If you make a video of informative video on that, then it is called as the documentary. Okay. So it is based on some important locations in India also. If you want to make a documentary on Taj Mahal, you can make it. So likewise that. These news releases and documentaries are useful for studying the history of modern India. Okay, so ये जो डॉक्यूमेंट्री होती है तो न्यूज में डिफरेंट इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाती है, तो हमारे हिस्ट्री, हमारे देश की हिस्ट्री समझने के लिए वो हमें मदद करती है. इट हेल्प्स अस टू अंडरस्टैंड आवर हिस्ट्री. So do you understand it? Okay, what is the breaking? Is it clear right now? Still breaking? Okay, oh, Vishal, Vishal Ayush, Kadambari, am I audible? Just write down audible if I'm audible. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Am I audible now? Is my voice reaching to you? Okay, due to rainfall, okay. Due to raining, it is problem here. So basically what we studied in FTII. Okay. So basically हमने क्या पढ़ा कि FTII में क्या होता है, आप न्यूज रील्स कैसे बना सकते हैं, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज किस तरह बना सकते हैं, पब्लिक एजुकेशन किस तरह कर सकते हैं. अगर आपको पॉलिटिकल टॉपिक पे बनाना है, आपको आर्ट पे बनाना है, कल्चर एंड सोसाइटी पे बनाना है, साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी पे बनाना है, किसी पर्सन के बारे में बनाना, ओके. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू get to know about this in the FTII. Also, when these people make some type of documentaries, information, it helps us to understand the history of India. Okay. So, anybody having any problem in oral sources in FTII? Okay. Okay. See here now. Here is the logo of FTII. Okay. Till now, we have seen some important sources for writing the history of modern India. Okay, so what we have seen up to now, from last 3 to 4 lectures, we have studied, okay, we have seen, we have learnt about important sources for writing the history of modern India. मॉडर्न इंडिया की जो हिस्ट्री लिखी जा सकती है उसके बारे में जो भी कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन हमें चाहिए, ओके, तो हमने वो कहाँ कहाँ से मिलेगी, ओके, वो रिटर्न सोर्सेस से कैसे मिलेगी, वो मटेरियल सोर्सेस से कैसे मिलेगी, ओरल सोर्सेस से कैसे मिलेगी, फिर उसके बाद हम ऑडियो विजुअल मीडियम से कैसे इंफॉर्मेशन प्राप्त कर सकते हैं, ओके, तो ये सब हमने अब तक देखा. The times in the 21st century are changing so rapidly that even these sources will prove to be inadequate. It means what? Basically, 21st century is changing very rapidly, developing very rapidly. So, to understand everything, to know about everything in this era, okay, all these sources may be inadequate, will not be enough, will not be sufficient. Okay. However, new sources are coming forth. Okay, these oral material sources, these are not adequate because all the information we will not get from all these sources. Okay, for this to understand this problem, to solve this problem, new sources are also coming. Okay, apart from our written sources, oral sources, material sources, audio visual, some other sources are also there. For example, during the transformation from landline telephone to cell phones, a gadget called pager come up for contacting people. Okay, but it died out as quickly as it had come up. So basically क्या होता था, पिछले वक्त कुछ सालों पहले हमारे पास मोबाइल नहीं था, तो हमारे पास क्या था, हमारे पास था टेलीफोन. ओके, टेलीफोन से हम यहाँ वहाँ कॉल लगाते थे, वो वायरिंग बिछाई हुई रहती थी, उसके जरिए हमारा वॉइस एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाता था. ओके, उसके बाद क्या आया, सेलफोन. ओके, परंतु इस टेलीफोन से सेलफोन तक जाने के पहले एक पेजर नाम का एक गैजेट आया हमारे यहाँ. मतलब क्या, टेलीफोन के बाद पेजर नाम का गैजेट आया. ओके, पर पेजर बहुत देर तक नहीं चला क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी एडवांस हो गई, फास्ट, इतनी जल्दी डेवलप हो गई कि पेजर आउटडेटेड हो गया. ओके, इट डाइड वेरी क्विकली. ओके, इट गेट एब्सोल्यूट फ्रॉम द मार्केट एंड cell phone took its place. The huge amount of information available on the internet is used for studying history, but the truth and the authenticity of this information needs to be verified. Okay, so pager, I have also don't know about the pager, but I will give you more information about this in the next lecture. But for up to now, for today, okay, consider that pager is वन गैजेट. ओके, जिस तरह मोबाइल होता है, टेलीफोन होता है, तो टेलीफोन के बाद जो थोड़ी सी डेवलपमेंट हुई टेक्नोलॉजी में, तो उसके बाद वो पेजर आया. ओके, पेजर ज्यादा दिन मार्केट में रहा नहीं लोगों के पास क्योंकि उसमें भी एडवांसमेंट होके टेक्नोलॉजी ज्यादा विकसित होने के बाद हमारे पास सेलफोन्स आ गए. ओके, तो वो पेजर भी डाई आउट हो गया फ्रॉम द मार्केट. Now, which is a major source for us to know about history? So, internet is one of the major source to know the history about our India. Okay, right now. But you know what? On the internet, there is all type of information present. It means false information is also there. True information is also there. It means there are some people who put wrong information about the history on the what we call it internet. So whenever you study about it, whenever you watch that videos, okay, you have to make sure that it is trustworthy, it is authentic, it is true, it is not false, or it is not fake information. Okay, so this information needs to be verified. Now it has become comparatively easy to study history with all these sources. Okay, now you have know about everything. Okay, how to know about our modern history? We have written sources, material sources, oral sources, audio visual medium, internet is there. Okay, so now it will be very easy to understand the history to everyone. It will be very easier, okay, for you people. As these sources are from the contemporary period, they are easily available. Okay, इसका मतलब क्या है, हमारे आज के वक्त भी ये सब सोर्सेस हमारे पास अवेलेबल है. ओके, जिसको पढ़ के, जिसको सुन के, जिसको देख के आप हिस्ट्री के बारे में, हमारे मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री के बारे में स्टडी कर सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं. Since a subject like history touches all the aspects of lives, efforts for preservation of such sources are made at all levels. इसका मतलब क्या है, हमारे पास जो भी एंशियंट और द मॉडर्न और मिडिवल सोर्सेस है हिस्ट्री के, whether it is written sources, whether it is oral source, whether it is audio visual medium, okay, or whether it is internet or other type of sources or material sources, what is important? It is very important for us to preserve that source. उसका संवर्धन करना जरूरी है, उसको संभाल कर रखना जरूरी है. ओके, बिकॉज हिस्ट्री जो होती है वो हमारे जीवन के सभी अंगों को स्पर्श करती है. ओके, सभी सेक्टर को, सभी फील्ड्स को स्पर्श करती है, सभी फील्ड के बारे में हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देती है. इसका मतलब क्या, पॉलिटिक्स, सोशल, आवर कल्चर, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी इज देयर. ओके, art is there. So all these types of aspects are there in the history. So what is our responsibility is to preserve that source, and all type of efforts are being done for the same to preserve it. We should also contribute to these efforts. So हमने भी इस को contribute करना चाहिए. Okay, आप कैसे contribute कर सकते हैं? जिस वक्त आप ट्रिप पे जाते हैं, कहाँ टूरिज्म के लिए जाते हैं. Okay, is the voice clear to all of you? Okay. ओके 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 ओके. सो बेसिकली हमें जो भी हमारे पास हिस्ट्री के सोर्सेस है, रिटर्न, मटेरियल, ओरल, ऑडियो विजुअल, इंटरनेट, ओके, वी हैव टू प्रिजर्व इट, वी हैव टू कंजर्व इट. ओके, एंड because it gives us the information about our history, our past, and about all our aspects of art, science, culture, politics, everything. And you should also contribute to preserve it. How can you contribute? You can, when you go for the tourism trip at some places, there are some monuments, okay, which are very ancient, which gives us the information. So you don't have to write there anything. Okay, you have to take care of that. Maybe it is script is there, sculpture is there, or other type of things are there, some artwork is there. You have to preserve that. Okay, so guys, like this way we have completed your lesson here. Okay, so everything clear for everyone, or do you need any more information? Okay, so can anybody in short tell me? Okay, 1 minute. One of the student, okay, from you, just tell me about what we studied in written sources. In short, just just write it down here. I will wait for 30 seconds. That what are different things that we have seen in the written sources, or what are the written sources of history? Can anybody tell me, or anybody write down here? What are the written sources of history? लिस्ट कर सकते हैं आप यहाँ. आवाज पहुंच रहे हैं मेरे आप तक? ओके। ओके, तो कोई तो आप में से कोई एक मुझे ये लिख कर भेजे कि रिटर्न सोर्सेस में कौन से सोर्स आते हैं, कौन कौन सी चीजें आती है। Okay, ancient medieval, but specify it. Okay, what is it? We have studied it. There are some things which includes in the written sources. Okay, Vishal is saying that ancient and ancient medieval. Okay, gadgets and diaries. Okay, it is perfect. Government gadgets are there. Diaries of different people, persons are there. Nobody has given me the answer about news. Yes, newspaper comes. Ayush also told okay. Perfectly right. Newspaper is there. Okay. Yes, reference books are there. Okay, Kadambari has listed everything, I think. Written sources, things, okay. Someone, diaries, newspaper. Yes, absolutely right, Kadambari. So basically, written sources, what are the things? Written sources means there are documents, there may be some script, okay, anything like that. So newspaper is there. There is प्रेस ट्रस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. सो प्रेस ट्रस्ट ऑफ इंडिया में क्या है, तो उसमें क्या होता है, पुरातन डॉक्यूमेंट्स लिखे हुए हैं वो वहां रखे हुए हैं. वो न्यूज़पेपर के डॉक्यूमेंट्स हो सकते हैं, किसी और चीज के डॉक्यूमेंट हो सकते हैं. ओके. पोस्टेज स्टैम्प्स आर देयर. यस, बुक्स आर आल्सो देयर. Books are also their official correspondence. So likewise that. So you people have understood now that what are the written sources. So now next is material sources. So which are the things that come under the material sources? So in that we have studied two sources in material sources. Anybody? Material sources. 2 to 3. Okay, two. Okay, yes, Vishal, Kadambari, Ayush, Vedant, Vaishnavi, Prarthana. Okay, Rajmudra is also material source. Yes, it is perfect. Fort is there, right? Coin, statues. Okay, so you have understood what is a material source. Also, temples, mosques, church. These are also material sources. Okay. After that, we studied coins and museums are there. Okay. Yes, you can also take the example of fossils also. No problem. Also, there are some famous personalities in India. Ambedkar. Okay. Uh, आफ्टर दैट गांधी इज देयर, महात्मा गांधी इज देयर. वो जहां जहां रहते थे तो उनके रहने की जो जगह है वो भी मटेरियल सोर्सेस में आती है. साबरमती आश्रम इज देयर. ओके, लाइकवाइज दैट. So friends, after that we studied about the oral sources. So what are the things that comes under the oral sources? Folk songs, folk tale is there. म्हणजेच काय? Folk songs means लोकगीत. Folk tale means लोककथा. Ballads are there, poems are there, povadas are there. Yes, OVs are there, Shairi, okay, right. So you perfectly understand it now. After that, we studied about the audio-visual medium, audio-visual sources. So what are these sources? Audio-visual, okay, internet, Kadambari Singh internet. What Vishal you are saying? Okay, different channels are there. Ayush is saying. Okay, cell phone is also TV, cell phone, films, web series, everything like that. Yes, perfectly. So you people have understood now perfectly. Okay. Camera is okay. Camera. Okay. From the camera, what we make? We make videos, documentaries, films. So camera comes under that. Okay. Okay. So after that, I we studied about the FTII. Okay, FTII means Film and Television Institute of India. So it was established in 1960 in Pune. And what was the purpose? Public education. So how it they were educating people? By helping people, by educating people, okay, by teaching them how to make films, okay, how to make documentaries on different people, different political events, okay, on different persons. Likewise, that how to make news reels. Okay, this news reel can be on different topics like political topic, scientific topic, cultural topic, social topic, issues, likewise that. Okay, so basically this was your lesson, and based upon this lesson, there are some exercise for you people. Here is the exercise. Okay, okay, people. Oh, likewise we have completed this lesson. See, sources of history. Here is the written sources: newspaper, encyclopedia, postage stamps, government gadgets, documents in archives. Yes, we forget about archives. Okay, archives are very important places because in archives there are ancient documents, important historical documents are kept. And where is our National Archive? National Archive of India is at New Delhi. See here, this question is asked in the exam. So remember it. Okay. We will see some MCQs over here. Okay, see here, first MCQs. Is it visible to all of you? Okay, visible ना? Okay, visible to विशाल. विशाल को ये दिख रहा है, स्क्रीन प्रेजेंटेशन दिख रहा है. और लोगों को कादम्बरी, आयुष, प्रार्थना, वेदांत, वैष्णवी. ओके. ओके, तो पहला प्रश्न है, नेशनल आर्काइव ऑफ इंडिया इज सिचुएटेड एट डैश डैश. पुणे, बी न्यू दिल्ली, सी कोलकाता, डी हैदराबाद. What is the correct answer for this? So anybody from you? National Archive of India. Okay, yes, just now we have seen it. Yes, perfectly right. It is in New Delhi. Next question is, the dash dash is included among the audio visual media. So what are different things that include in audio visual medium? A newspaper, B television, C all India radio, D periodical. What is the answer for this? Yes, Kadambar is saying television, television, Ayush. Okay, Vishal. You are right. It is television because from television you can listen also and you can see. You can get the audio and video also. Third one is dash dash is not included in physical sources. So see here, dash dash is not included physical sources. Physical means what? Physical means material, भौतिक, जिसको हम छू सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं, likewise. So what is that which is not included in the physical source? First one है coin, B है ornaments, C है buildings, D है proverbs. So what is that which is not a physical source? Yes, कादम्बरी सिंह, proverb. It is perfectly right. Proverb तो oral में आता है. Okay. Now here, person and speciality. Identify the wrong pair and rewrite the correct one. Okay. First one is Jal Cooper. Jal Cooper is philatelist. Kusumagraj is poet. Anna Bausate is a people's bard. Amar Sheikh is art collector. Okay. So which is wrong pair? First, second, third. Can anybody tell me which pair is wrong? Jal Cooper, Kusumagraj, Annabhau Sathe, and Amar Sheikh. In this, which is wrong pair? Okay, see here book again for you. Which is wrong? Yes, Amar Sheikh he is Shahir. Okay, so that is wrong pair. Also, Annabhau Sathe, a people's bard. I need to look into this. Okay, people's bard, whether it is right or wrong. But fourth one is absolutely wrong. What is correct one? Amar Sheikh is Shahir. Okay, and Annabhau Sathe is people's bard. It means Lok Shahir. It is right person. Okay, fourth one is wrong. So friends, other questions are based on the writings. Okay, written, write a short note on written sources, write a note on Press Trust of India, give reasons. The postal department tries to preserve the heritage and integrity of Indian culture through postage stamps. मतलब क्या, हमारा जो पोस्टल डिपार्टमेंट है ये क्या करता है, हमारे देश के जो एकता है और जो हमारा देश का जो हेरिटेज है, जो वारसा है, तो वो प्रिजर्व करके रखता है। किसके जरिए? पोस्टेज स्टैम्प्स के जरिए। वो क्यों रखता है और कैसे रखता है, आपको इसका रीजन देना है क्यों रखता है। थर्ड वन इज, सेकंड वन इज ऑडियो विजुअल मीडिया आर एन इम्पोर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ राइटिंग द हिस्ट्री ऑफ मॉडर्न इंडिया। हमें अगर हमारे मॉडर्न इंडिया के बारे में हिस्ट्री लिखनी है, पढ़नी है, स्टडी करनी है, तो ऑडियो विजुअल मीडियम दैट इज इंटरनेट, टेलीविजन, फिल्म्स आर very important. Why it is important? You have to give reason. Okay. So now what will I do? I will just give you this exercise for writing. Okay, on your Google Classroom. Everybody got the access for Google Classroom? Okay. So what I will do? I will just take the screenshot of that exercise. I will paste it in the Google Classroom. And Prarthana, are you listening to me? Because I have got your first response here, only first response. I hope you were giving attention here. Okay. If you have not given attention, okay, discipline is very important. Okay. So as to your okay, Prarthana, you have not got access for Google Classroom. ओके 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 ओके। तो तब तक आप सबके लिए धन्यवाद, आपने लेक्चर अटेंड की। ओके, आपने मुझे सुना। अ, आज का लेक्चर कैसा रहा तो आप लोगों के मुताबिक? हाउ इज टुडेज लेक्चर? हाउ वाज टुडेज लेक्चर? ओके, 8 बज गए, आपका टाइम भी हो गया। ओके, so today you can leave the class now. So goodbye to everyone and have a take care. Okay, take care, take precautions. Okay, Kadambari, Vishal, Prarthana, Ayush, bye. You can leave the class now. Bye bye.